wahala for who don't refuse to share husband. Oh, my people now side chicks they take people by force. They say no be them go carry last. This one a male nurse, my people. Hi, Chimeke. Even as I want talk this thing, my body they do me chingoli. Male nurse where they work for hospital, he get side chick, he still get wife. Where any day where they on duty, this man go they carry the side chick. You understand? They don't plan them already. It automatic. Any day where in their duty, this girl go follow body, go lie down for bed. Like say she dey sick, oh, they go even put a drip. Although when I know how normal person when sick, they put her. Now like that, oh, she go come like that, do like say she dey sick. When everybody don't, you understand? They know how their movement they go. So the man go enter room, they go fire down. They do this thing for, in fact, very long time. Na so person wey know the wife go report to the wife. Say, madam, now this thing they go on. This woman can't trace. Una never marry crazy woman before. This woman can't trace them. If una see beating, make I no even talk too much. I don't say una don dey salivate already. Because for una wey no know wetin dey happen, join me, make we watch the video.
What? Bitch. Bro, come on. Bro, come on. Wait. Let me go, bro. Let me go. Come on. Play.
I beg, I also no believe me. I beg, I just want they show to no believe me, they laugh. I beg. My people waiting they shele. Chineke. Women. See, I don't bring una plenty secrets today. You understand? All of una we no say una dey married. Make una see, if I be you, I go sit down balance with this thing when they use watch me now. No shake am, no move. I be una no say na husbands they go work like this man. I beg on a normal day, you know say, see, no be just men. Normally everybody some days day way we just feel like okay, make we day house. You understand? But you know they like that with some men, oh. Some men if weekend even they reach, they vex. They vex say, oh, now go day house, I go day house, I go day. They know they like, see, if they even give them chance, they go even they work Sundays. Make una take note of those men. When work time don't reach, some of them go even they deny breakfast. Ah, baby, won't you eat? No. They go, they rush, they go. They know waiting, they wait for them. So I beg all of una, married women, they use one eye, they look your husband. If you they notice say they rush anyhow, you understand? Make you not go end like this one. Chai! Jesus. Oh. See beating. Hey. That one even open leg. Iwa. They show, you understand? See, the way una see say she dey naked, not be the wife she dey expect to. Oh, that one for her mind. Let my baby just come. Let us. Hi! Now her baby appear in a wife form. Chineke, this one sweet me. Forget her. Una never see anything, no. This is just the beginning. All of una way una don't decide say for this life una no go give married women rest. Voila. See how she been like that. Like say she truly dey sick. She just dey. Why this life be like this? Why? Why? And the way una even dey for una way even watch the video, una go notice say this woman, even people don't ready the video. Why? Because they don't already know say this woman they are aware. You understand? People already the video for una to see say this matter no be today. It don't dey happen. Wahala dey o. Wetin dey do girls nowadays? Wetin dey work una? Wetin dey do now with people husband? Wetin? Some girls go even dey open mouth dey tell you say, Madam Aproko, see, I don't like them young. I like them married because they are more experienced. Hey? On top person husband. Wahala dey o. You become patient automatically. Una no understand this thing. Any day when this man dey on duty, this girl go fall sick by force. If I did this hospital, If I be part of the people who already know this thing, any day wey she come like this, I go refer am to another doctor. Abi you say you sick, I go send you go another doctor make dem examine you. Una no just like peace for this world. Una see when una dey in peace, una no like am. You kind people. This woman no even beat you safe. Like the beating wey even dey expect, make drag am outside go public where people dey. Chineke. But wait my people, I guess one thing wey I no even dey understand now. The man now, where him go? Like the husband, where him go? Una see say he run. When you know the kind woman wey you marry, now you still dey do. See, my people, listen to me, men. You fit cheat though, although I know dey advise am, but you suppose know who you marry before you start. Some women they be trailer. Hey, Chineke. And the man wey marry me, you know wetin he carry o, because me I go do worse pass wetin this woman do. No even try am, lie. Me and you. Abeg, I no dey chase una away, una fit come, understand? Chineke. Wahala. See, my people, this matter, e dey very serious. Forget all this laugh wey I dey laugh. I'm not happy. See, all of una wey una know say una dey chase people husband, slay queens, husband snatchers. Una know una tag o. No be me go give una tag. See, life, karma, everything real. Wetin you go dodge, you go meet una children. And e dey even possible say una no go marry. If una notice all these girls wey dey do this thing, they no dey marry. If you even lucky sef say you marry, you no go even happy for that marriage. And you go see say other girls go start to dey follow your husband. Other girls go start to dey follow your husband. And you no even suppose argue. See, make una stop dey fight. Because you go face am. Chai, abeg. I no wan kill myself before my time. Una don see the kind gbese wey person just carry. And I dey sure say after this one, they no go stop. Highest, they go just change destination. You understand? Location, I mean. They go change am. Say, okay, from now, we know they meet for this kind. I dey sure say this man, before this time, he dey love him job scatter. Because, in fact, he dey treat the patient with... No wonder una dey make mistakes for hospital. Your mind no go even focus again. Oh, you dey attend to patient, but your mind dey that side. Say, okay, after this one, I dey go. May God help una. May God help all of una. Una know say una dey involved in this case. May God help una. Abeg, my people, na the matter be this, and I still want to know wetin una dey think.